Welcome all in this numerical lecture of electrochemistry. In this lecture, we will see the next numerical from the topic electrochemistry. So in screen, if you see the numerical, if the molecular conductivity of LiCl in 10 raised to minus 2 molar solution is 93.6. So firstly, we will see what is the given. We have given that molecular conductance and it is 93.6. And also molarity of LiCl solution is also given. Siemens centimeter square per mole is the unit for molecular conductivity, and with the help of this we have to calculate specific conductivity. So in next slide we will see how we can solve it. So given that lambda m, that is the molecular conductivity, 93.6 Siemens centimeter square per mole, and molarity is also given. It is 10 raised to minus 2 molar solution is LiCl, and with the help of this we have to calculate K, that is the specific conductance. So we know the formula, lambda m is equal to K into 1000 upon capital M. So you can rearrange or you can write for K. So K is equal to lambda m into M upon 1000. So we have to put up the values of lambda m and m in this equation. So we will get 93.6 into 10 raised to minus 2 upon 1000. So it is 9.36 into 10 raised to minus 4 Siemens per centimeter. And when we have to convert it into Siemens per meter, that is the SI unit, then we have to divide it by 10 raised to minus 2, and we will get the last answer, 9.36 into 10 raised to minus 2 Siemens per meter. So in this way you can calculate the specific conductance. Now we will see the next numerical. Numerical number 9 is similar to the 8th one. You may solve it in your home or you may practice it in your home. So we will see the next one, that is numerical number 10. After electrolysis of 0.1 normal HCl solution in Hittorf cell, the concentration of electrolyte in anode and cathode compartment were found to be 0.02 normal and 0.08 normal respectively. Calculate the transport number of ion. If you see the solved numerical in your book, it is somewhat there is a small mistake in printing, because if you read the numerical, concentration of electrolyte in anode and then cathode, and it is written respectively, that means for anode it is 0.02 and for cathode it is 0.08. But just replace this one, for anode it is 0.08 and for cathode it is 0.02. We'll see how we can solve it. We know the Hittorf's rule that is fall in concentration around anode upon fall in concentration around cathode, that is equal to speed of positive ion divided by speed of negative ion. Or also in formula we can write B plus upon B minus, that is equal to T plus upon T minus. Now fall in concentration around fall in concentration of electrolyte in anode, we have to consider 0.08, not 0.02 as given in your numerical. So I have written here notice for students, make correction in your book, that is the book of Phadke Prakashan. So make this correction and solve it. So put up the value for fall in concentration around anode and fall in concentration around cathode, and you may calculate as like this. So it is 0.02 upon 0.02, that is equal to V plus upon V minus, that is equal to 4. That is the after dividation you will get 4. Now T plus upon, for T minus you can write 1 minus T plus, that is equal to 4. Just take the multiplication, cross multiplication, so you will get value for T plus, it is 4 into 1 minus T plus. Solve this bracket, lastly you will get the value for T plus, that is 4 by 5, and its answer is 0.8. Subtract this value from 1, you will get T minus, and in this way 1 minus 0.8, that is equal to 0.2. So in this way you can solve this numerical. Now the next and last numerical of this lecture is equivalent conductivity of sodium nitrate at infinite dilution is 105.2. That means lambda infinity or lambda 0 is given for NaNO3. It is 105.2. Ionic conductance of Na plus ion in the same solution is 43.5 per ohm per centimeter. So ionic conductance of Na plus, that means cation, is given, and we have to calculate the transport number of both, that is Na plus as well as NO3 minus ion. So we will see the formula and we will solve it. So I have written here what is given, that it is lambda infinity or lambda 0, that is 105.2, lambda 0 of Na plus 43.5. We have to calculate Tna plus and TNO3 minus. So this is the formula, lambda 0 plus upon lambda 0, that is equivalent conductance at infinite dilution will be in the denominator for whole ion, that is NaNO3, and that is nothing but the transport number of cation. So also you can memorize it, transport number of any cation is equal to equivalent conductance of cation at infinite dilution divided by equivalent conductance at infinite dilution for whole ion or for whole salt. So that is T0 Na plus is equal to lambda 0 of Na plus upon lambda 0 of whole salt or solution, that is of NaNO3. So put up the values 43.5 upon 105.2 and calculate 0.4135. After subtracting this value from 1, you will get the transport number of NO3 minus. So in this way we can solve all the numericals. Thank you. We will meet in the next lecture.